Hey there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. My name's Christina, and today I'm going to do a cash envelope stuffing, which I'm super excited about. So I should have $628 here that I want to go ahead and get stuffed into my cash envelopes. So I'll start by just getting my money set up, and then we will jump right into the cash envelope stuffing. All right, so $628. I just counted and organized the cash right here. So we'll go ahead and get this stuffed. So I am going to be using the My Money is Thriving budget planning workbook. This is where I was able to figure out my cash stuffing plan. And I did do a flip through of this as well as the Make Your Money Thrive budget planner. So if you're interested in that, I will leave it linked down below and up in the cards. But pretty much this tells me exactly what I want to put into each of my cash envelopes that I'm going to be stuffing and the denominations so that I don't have to figure that out right now. I know why I have the amount of money that I have and why they're in the denominations that they're in. So the first category that I have on here is fun. So I will go ahead and find my fun envelope, which is going to be here in this envelope. And I'm still kind of getting used to this new cash envelope system, so I'm going to be kind of jumping around from wallet to wallet until I kind of get used to my cash envelope system, and then I can kind of group these based on where things are. But I just got these set up a few days ago, so bear with me for the next couple of videos as I work on getting this set up. So what I realized also that I forgot to do is I have my fun category, but I should also have a bigger fun money category. So I have my fun that I do on a weekly basis, but I forgot to set up a fun category that's just like for fun overall. And this $53 should be going into my category that's for fun overall. So what I'm going to do is grab the money that I need for it, which is 2 20s, it says. Yeah, 2 20s and a 10 and 3 ones, which would give me $53. And I'm going to set this aside. So I have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. I'm going to set this aside because I need to make myself a fun envelope for bigger level fun, because that's exactly what that's supposed to be. So then next I have my kiddo is going to be getting $50. So my kiddo's sinking fund is here. And with my cash envelope system, I have a sinking fund category, and then each category has subcategories for my bigger ones. So special occasions is a big category, which has subcategories. Holidays is a big category, and then it has subcategories. And it allows me to make sure that I have kind of a buffer for anything that I forgot to specifically set up a category for, but then also effectively manage specific categories within the higher level sinking fund. And for me, it just works better that way. Whenever I budget if I'm using money from a sinking fund. So let's say I was setting aside money for a vacation. If I was going in to do a budget for vacation, I would break it down into food costs and excursion costs and transportation and etc. So for me, it just makes sense to actually do that in my cash envelope system, not just when I budget out that money, so that I can make sure that I'm effectively saving enough in each category. So this is the envelope for my kiddo, and I need 2 20s and a 10. So I have 2 20s and a 10 for $50, and I'm gonna put that here in my kiddo's envelope. And then I'll be able to effectively allocate that money into the subcategories when I get to it. But $50 into my kiddos category. And then I'm also gonna go over to my personal category, which is also going to get $50, it looks like. And I am also doing 2 20s and a 10 for this one. So 2 20s and a 10. So I will put that into my personal one. And I'm going to be doing, my hair texture has changed a ton in the last year. It now apparently wants to be curly, and if I try to do it straight, it just is frizzy and it's breaking out a lot and getting dry. So I am going to respect my hair's wishes and let it be curly, because that's what it seems to want to do. So I am going to be having to prioritize a lot of the cash that I am putting into my personal to going towards some hair care for at least a little while. So I'm not sure why I shared that, but I don't know. I just thought about it, so I said it. So then I have vacation. And right now I have 2 different vacation categories. I have a vacation category that is for like little weekend trips and one-off things like that. And then I have a vacation category that is for some major vacations that I want us to do in 2025. So I'm going to be putting this $100 into this main vacation category, the bigger vacation category for the specific ones. So for this one, I am doing a $100 bill. So I will go ahead and put $100 in here for vacation. Next, I have zoo trips, which is another high-level category, and this is for us to go on different zoo trips and visit different zoos throughout the year. So I'm putting 75 in here, and it's going to be 6 10s, 2 5s, and 5 1s. And having the smaller bills will help a lot in here. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is going to go into my zoo trips envelope here. And then I'll be able to start allocating it into subcategories here, which is super exciting. And then I have credit card and new car fund, which those are in this wallet right here. So credit card is going to get $50. So I lied, it's actually in this wallet right here. See, I told you it's gonna take me a little while to get used to, but I was close on the color, but I was way off. So credit card is right here, and that's gonna get $50. It's gonna get 2 20s, a 5, and 5 1s. So here is 2 20s, a 5, and this should be 5 1s. So I've got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Perfect. And you guys let me know, do you like these clear envelopes, these clear cash envelopes, or do you like the matte ones better? Let me know in the comments down below. I think I like the I like the frosted ones better, which the frosted ones are like this style. That's the frosted one. So they're glossy, but they're, you know, opaque. Those are my favorite. But then I also like the matte ones, but then I also like the clear ones. I don't know. You guys let me know. Which ones are your favorite? And then the last category is new car funds, which is going to be getting $250. And we need two $100 bills, two 20s, and a 10. So 100, 200, 20, 40, and 50. So that'll go right here into new car fund. So that is that. I have effectively stuffed my $628, and this income, this was just some cash that I had left over in 2024. So I wanted to get them effectively allocated into new categories. So that's where this cash came from, but you'll start seeing me do cash stuffings for my actual budgets here very, very soon. So I hope that you enjoyed watching me do this cash envelope stuffing, and if you did, make sure that you put a like on it. Don't forget to tell me which ones of the envelopes you like best in the comments down below, and don't forget to get subscribed. I'd absolutely love to have you here. Not only will I be sharing my own budget and cash stuffings and all of that, but I'll also be sharing some tips and tricks and information to help you make your money thrive here in 2025 and beyond. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.